Suno just dropped a new update, and honestly, it is a total game changer. Previously on this channel, we've talked about AI tools that brought a chat style to music generation. Those were great first steps, but we all know the saying, everybody's a gangster until the real gangster arrives. And that real deal is Suno AI. What makes this update so massive isn't just that you can talk to the AI, it's that you can make changes and refine your song through a live dialogue before you ever spend a single credit. It's like having a world-class producer sitting right next to you, taking your feedback in real time. In this video, we're going to walk through a comprehensive live example workflow. We're going to build a raw acoustic country song from scratch and show you exactly how to use the chat to tweak, change, and perfect the track. So let's get on with it. Here we are in the Suno dashboard. Look at your left sidebar. Right under the Create button, you'll see a new button called Chat Beta. Let's click on that, and it takes us to a new interface. It's very different from the Create section that we are familiar with, and seems more like an interactive chat box. Here you have a plus button on the left, where you can upload audio tracks or select music tracks from your library. An auto button right next to it, which enables the chat feature to auto-create the song without requiring confirmation from the user. And if you don't have a specific idea on what to create, you can use the dice here to brainstorm song ideas. Let's get started. For this demonstration, I'm going to create an acoustic country song, always great for testing. But instead of prompting like before, I'm going into the chat box and typing what I want, just like chatting. Now look at the auto toggle. If you leave auto on, Suno acts like the old version. It takes one guess and generates audio immediately. But we're here for testing out the feature's capacity, so we keep auto turned off. When I send that prompt, the AI doesn't just start playing music, it responds as a creative consultant. Look at the response on the screen. It didn't just say okay, it actually interpreted the vibe. It has suggested a closed mic guitar, creaky fingers, and a lonely vocal with lots of space and night air for our song. That is the style translation I was talking about. It's taking my vibe and turning it into production techniques. And then it asked me a narrative question to help write the lyrics. What's the traveler running from or chasing out there? Notice the chips at the bottom. These are quick start options. I could click haunted by regret or chasing a lost love. But because we want to see how this handles manual changes, I'm going to type my own path. I'm typing this. Look at the response on the screen. It's incredible. The AI didn't just agree, it leaned into the mood. This is the style translation in action. It's taking my narrative ideas and turning them into specific production notes. And look at the lyrics it generated. It's already mapped out the structure and even placed that harmonica interlude to bridge the flow. And did you notice? We did not consume any credits so far within this chat. In the standard simple mode, every time you hit generate, you're gambling credits. If the AI didn't get the vibe right, those credits are gone. But in this new chat feature, you can ask for a change or keep tweaking for perfection as long as you want for completely free. You only spend credits at the very end when the blueprint is perfect and you hit the generate button. But notice what's happening at the bottom of the chat. The AI is asking me a follow-up question to sharpen the emotional edge. It's acting just like a co-writer. So it looks like Suno has grabbed the vibe I wanted, but the lyrics seem a bit too long for my taste. So I'm gonna type just that. The conversation continues. It acknowledges my request and asks me about the ending. And now let's proceed with shortening the lyrics. The lyrics look good, so let's move forward with creating the song. Instead of pressing the Create Song button, I'm just going to type in yes as the answer for this question. No issue whatsoever, the chat feature works just like any major LLM model like Gemini or ChatGPT and shows a great understanding of my requirements. And only after confirming, it's now creating the actual songs. Now remember, since we did not include any manual tags or tricks for creating a duet, we just told Suno AI to make it a duet with female harmonies within the chat conversation. And here we go. Let's listen.
Headlights in the night, dark highway. Too many nights of running all this way. Every time I'm resting, just to rest my head, my dreams are haunted, haunted by regret. How can I put your ghost to bed when my dreams are haunted, haunted by regret?
Haunted by regret. Oh, that is great. It has got the lonely campfire vibe perfectly, the acoustic sound combined with the harmonica, and also it has female harmonies just like we asked for as a duet. This may effectively end the big issue of having an actually working way of creating duets that Suno had all along. And as you can see, only now we consumed our credits, the usual 5 credits per song. Okay, we got our song, but now let's try out something that really matters to all of us, making changes to a song you already have. Now I'm going to select the first song, which loads into the chat box. Right now, the female harmonies do not start until the end of the first chorus, which is fine, but I'm going to try and see if we can have the female harmonies in the first verse as well. So I'm going to type that in casually, and let's see what happens. Okay, now Suno is making a variation of my selected version with the same lyrics, but adding subtle female harmony earlier as we asked. And I see that this version is being created as a cover of the previous version, and here we are.
Headlights in the night, dark highway. Too many nights of running on this way. Every time I'm resting, just to rest my head, my dreams are haunted, haunted by.
No, unfortunately, we still don't have the female voice until the chorus. This might be because the lyrics have not been changed. We don't see any round brackets included in the first verse. So I'm going to try this again, but with telling in chat to consider the lyrics. Okay, I can see that this time either we don't have any parentheses added into the first verse. Could this be because I only mentioned them as brackets? Anyway, we now have a tag up front instructing for soft female vocals instead, so this will be interesting.
Headlights in the night, dark highway. Too many nights of running all
Again, it's not very successful, so I'm just going to try again and instruct the AI to include an echo within parentheses. Yes, this time I can see that it's been added into the lyrics as an echo under each line. Okay, let's hear it.
Headlights in the night, dark highway.
Haunted by regret.
Too many nights running all this way.
Haunted by regret.
Every time I'm resting, just to rest my head.
Haunted by regret.
My dreams are haunted.
Haunted by regret.
I did have to do a few iterations, but we finally have the male vocals with female harmonies within the first verse. So this proves that sometimes the chat AI understands your vibe, but forgets the syntax. And it needs a little additional push with specific instructions to get the perfect result. But this demonstrates the most powerful part of the new update, the ability to treat your music as a living document. Introducing a chat feature with the room to adjust or tweak every technical parameter, from instruments to the specific placement of harmonies, is incredible. Now let's be real, it's still AI. It might not always be a 100% guarantee that you'll get a flawless generation that adheres to your request on the very first try. As we saw with the parentheses, sometimes the AI needs you to be a little more specific about how to implement a change. It's not magic, but still, it is a massive evolution. Before this, creating a song was like playing a slot machine. You would put your prompt in, pull the lever, and hope for a win. If you didn't like it, you just kept pulling the lever and burning through your credits. But with this new chat feature, the slot machine era is over. It might take a couple of tweaks and a bit of back and forth, but getting a song that is perfectly close to what you imagined is now more possible than it has ever been. You are the director, the chat is your producer, and the engine is your band. Go give the chat beta a try. Play around with the Zero-Credit Refinement, try out some weird genre fusions, and see if you can iterate your way to a masterpiece. So since this chat feature is in beta right now, the way to access this feature might change in the near future. But if you do try it, let us know in the comments what you think of this new feature and your experience with it. By the way, if you want to take this further, come join us over at the AI with TechSnap community. We just opened up our official Discord server and Patreon. It's a place for us to hang out, share what we're creating, and help each other grow. Whether you're a free member or looking to support the channel, I'd love to see you there. Head over to the Patreon link in the description to grab your Discord invite and get started. If you found this demonstration helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tools that are actually changing the world of AI. I'll see you in the next one.